name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my me-made wardrobe of spring, which just so happens to be a whole bunch of dresses, which I'm not upset about because I love making and wearing dresses so much. So let's jump in and let me show you what I made this season. I don't really have a favourite, but this first dress has to be up there. It's this beautiful linen dress. It's actually a pattern hack of my Rosa pattern, which I shared a month or so ago. I mean, on its own, this dress is stunning. The linen fabric is so beautiful. It's such a lovely colour, but the real magic of this dress is at the back. Look at that. It's got this beautiful open detail here at the back with a little bow to tie it all together. I'm so happy with how this dress has turned out. It's such a statement piece for summer and also really nice to wear on those really hot days with the open back. It's just so beautiful, and I'll make sure to leave a link to the tutorial down below if you'd like to make one for yourself. This next dress I have to show you is very heavily inspired by the Atlanta dress by the brand Sleeper. I'm sure you've seen this style of dress on Instagram or the internet somewhere. It's been very popular this season. It's this beautiful puffy sleeve dress with a shirred bust, which makes it so comfortable to wear. Again, I've shared a tutorial on how to make this dress step by step, so definitely check it out if you're interested. But I've made this dress out of the most beautiful vintage cotton fabric with this lovely micro floral print. It's just the most adorable fabric I've ever seen, and I was so happy to stumble upon this fabric on eBay. I had to buy it, and I'm just so excited to wear this cute little floral puffy dress during summer. Like I said, it's just so comfortable to wear, and the sleeves are just so amazingly puffy, which I just love. I love a statement sleeve so much, so very happy to add this dress to my wardrobe. So these next two kind of go together nicely. Something pretty big that I did this season was launch my third sewing pattern, the Willow dress, which is a wrap dress pattern. It's now available if you'd like to make one for yourself. I'll have a link to it down below. And I made two willow dresses as a part of the video instructions for the willow pattern, and these are the two dresses I made for that video. So the first one here is the long skirt version with the short sleeves, and I made this dress out of the most beautiful vintage bedsheet. It's probably one of the best bedsheets I've ever found at an op shop. It's got these lovely mustard and blue tones in the floral, and I actually think it's really similar to some of the prints that the brand Faithful come out with, and I absolutely love some of the dresses that brand comes out with, so I'm very happy with this dress. Because it's a wrap dress, it's so easy to wear, and again, it's going to be a great one for summer. And then this next dress is the long sleeved short skirt version. This one is made out of some beautiful mustard gold linen fabric by A&R Fabrics, which was kindly sent to me. If you love linen fabric, I definitely recommend you check them out because their linens are just so beautiful and such good quality. And again, I'm so happy with this dress as well. The sleeves have a little bit of elastic at the bottom, which gives it a really nice puffiness, which again I love. And I also really love the short version. I just think it's so cute for summer, but also can be really easy to wear during winter with a pair of tights and boots. I just think it's such a versatile dress, and yeah, just so comfortable and easy to wear. Next I have another Atlanta styled puffy dress, but this time it's in this amazing burnt orange linen. Again, this one was gifted to me by A&R Fabrics, and it's probably one of my favourite colours ever. I love this shade of orange so much. And this dress is literally just a dream dress of mine. I am so happy to add it to my wardrobe. I really love this style of dress. I think it's so much fun to wear, and it's surprisingly very easy to make as well. So I definitely recommend you check out the tutorial. It looks way more impressive than it is. The sharing is time consuming, but so easy. And at the end, you get this amazing dress, which is obviously very satisfying. I was actually inspired to make this dress after I saw one on Instagram worn by Audrey Rivet, and I have to say this one turned out so similar to the one on Instagram, and I honestly think it looks like I could have bought this dress. But obviously when you make a dress yourself, it is so much more fulfilling, and yeah, I'm just so happy to add this dress to my wardrobe. Next I have another wrap dress, again made with my willow pattern, but this time I have this beautiful kind of raspberry red fabric. I picked up this fabric from a thrift store, and it's honestly one of the best fabric finds from a thrift store I've ever found. There was so much fabric there, and it feels like it might be a quilter's cotton or something. The quality is just amazing, and the cute little floral print is just so adorable, and I think it actually makes a beautiful wrap dress. Because of the wrap style, it again is just so easy to throw on, and I just think it's such an adorable dress, and I'm really happy with how the pattern turned out, and I'm so glad that so many of you have loved it as much as I do. It's so exciting to see your willow dresses being made. And the last dress I have to show you is this one here. I actually made this dress with McCall's 7920, I think, off memory. I could be wrong there, so I'll insert the pattern now so you can see which one I used. But again, I was inspired to make this dress after I found one very similar on Instagram. I basically wanted to add a really versatile dress to my wardrobe, one that I can wear with jumpers and like kind of as a skirt, but then also one that's really nice to wear just as a dress as well. And this is what I came up with. I made it out of some ditzy floral rayon that I picked up from Spotlight, and the dress has 8 buttons along the front, which took me a long time to stitch all those buttonholes and hand sew the buttons onto the dress, but I think it's totally worth it. It's such a simple classic design, but I think the busyness of the fabric just makes it extra special, and I really love the little cute cap sleeves as well. It's just a perfect addition to my wardrobe, and I know I'm going to get so much wear out of this dress. So I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of my Me Made wardrobe of spring. And like I said, make sure you check out the description below to see all the different tutorials I've shared on making these dresses, if you did want to make any for yourself. Also, let me know in the comments which one's your favourite. I'm not sure if I can pick just one. I really love all of them equally. And I'm so excited that I can finally start wearing these dresses now that it's warming up here in Australia. If you enjoyed this video, then I would love it if you could give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Have a lovely day, and thanks for watching.